What is up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you guys how did I fix my clicking noise. I can say it's a clicking noise from my wheel or my rims, whatever you guys want to call it. And yep, I do get a clicking noise from 4 of my rims or 4 of my wheels. So if you guys ever experience a clicking noise like this, like this kind of clicking noise, so I think this video might helpful if you guys watch it until the end. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you guys how do I fix my clicking noise. And as you guys can hear, wait, let me open this window for you guys. Yep, there are no more clicking sound, guys. Yep, there are no more clicking sound. Oh, he gave me away. Thank you. Okay guys, so let's continue our topic for today. Okay, how did I fix my clicking sound? And yeah, it makes me annoyed all the time. So I did some research from Google forums, 350Z forums, YouTube. Okay, then I've decided to bring my car to car specialist, which is MBS tuning. You guys can Google it. I'm sure their branches are all over the world because I did some research about the MBS tuning. And yeah, based on my research, their shops are not just in Malaysia, they are around the world. Highly recommended for you guys, especially who owns a sports car or supercar. Okay, so they figured out what is the actual problems of the clicking noise. So they figured it out almost like, pretty sure it's 3 days to inspect my cars. And what is the actual problem? So the actual problem is my spacers. Yep, I do have spacers on my cars, and 4 of them are making the clicking noise. And of course the front right wheel spacers are making the most annoying noise out of the 3 spacers, because I don't know why. Because they told me that the studs from the spacers are rusty and a little bit old because they haven't changed since I bought this car. And based on the previous owners, he told me that this car has been running for about almost 8 years, running with these spacers on, so the studs haven't changed at all. So MBS told me that they suggest me to find a shops that can change the stud nuts to a new one. And yep, it's quite difficult and challenging for me to find the shops around my area which can change the stud nuts. It is not that easy to change from an old one and to new stud nuts. And I went to 5 or 6 shops around my area, and all of them told me that they can't do it because it is too hard or too challenging for them to change the stud nut. So there's this one shop a little bit far from my area, and yep, my girlfriend did it for me. She found a shop that can change the stud nuts. After that, I bring my spacers to MBS tuning for them to assemble back my spacers. And yep, here's the result. And I want to mention here, if your car does not have any spacers on, you can try to check other YouTube channel that I've watched if your car does not have a spacers on. So if your cars have spacers like mine, so maybe we got the same problem here. And it cost me around 300 ringgit Malaysia to stud nuts. Yeah guys, actually I want to go and get a haircut for my hair. Go and get some haircut first. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, so I just got my haircuts done. Okay, so let's talk about our topic again. And my girlfriend that helps me a lot for these pacers. So I want to thank her so much, because the other day I was really busy with my work, so I had no time for my spacers, and yep, my girlfriend helps me a lot for these spacers. So that's all for today. I hope this video helps you guys solve your problems. So if you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed my channel. If you have any question, don't feel hesitant to ask me in the comment section below, as long as it is related to cars topics. And yeah, I think that's it for today. See you guys in my next video. Ciao.